Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Forward Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the percentage style in Excel. So let's look at our sheet 1 here. The percentage style is located in Home tab under the number section here. We have a style here. This is the shortcut to quickly make the value in a text, in a value in a cell into percentage. So let's look at our column E. This is the percentage of sales out of total sales over column D. So when I calculate using the Excel formula, it turns it into decimal. So this is 6%, 7%, 19%, and so on. So in order to turn it into percentage quickly, so you have to highlight the column that you want to turn the value into percentage and go to Home tab and go to Number section here. Click on the percentage file. So once you click on the percentage style, it will turn it into percentage quickly. So as you can see, it's supposed to be 100% here. So this is the percentage style in order for you to quickly understand and visualize what are the percentage for each of the lines. Thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.